common reason for draining a battery faster than normal is a poor signal strength or poor cellular network in the area which you are living. This happens because the smartphone always tries to connect to the nearby tower in order to keep you connected. But if the tower is far away from your location, then it will try to connect to the nearest tower among those faraway towers. So this will make the device like smartphone to use much amount of energy to find out tower signal to keep you connected or to maintain the signal between the device and the tower. Hence this will make more use of battery and can lead to battery drainage. Before moving to solution, here we are considering that SIM card and the device are not damaged. That means they are working fine. You can check your SIM card by inserting it into another devices. If its condition is same as it was in your device, then the SIM card is not the problem. But make sure that you have inserted it in well functioning device. And to check your device for network, you can insert another SIM card in your device which is working fine. If the fine working SIM card shows the same condition as it shows in earlier device, that means the device network system is also working fine. So if device, SIM card and other remaining factors are in fine condition, then there are mostly chances that the problem is due to poor cellular network. So here is the solution for this problem. In setting option in mobile networks, you can select for better option as per your suitability. You can also put your smartphone in airplane mode if you are getting very low signals and your priority is to save the battery and not to make phone calls or to do any other activities which are done through cellular network. In between, if you want to know about airplane mode and eSIM, you can watch our earlier video on those topics. I will provide its link in description box and I will also put it in the I button, so from there you can watch it.